Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use OneDrive. So OneDrive is an application that enables you to store or save your documents in the clouds, and you'll be able to access these documents wherever you are in the world on any computer. So you don't have to carry your computer or devices along wherever you go to be able to access your documents or files. You can access your documents when you save them on your clouds wherever you are, anywhere in the world, as long as you have internet and the file is saved on OneDrive. So if you want to get more information about OneDrive, you're going to head over to Microsoft.com. So right here you get more information about the OneDrive application. So I have the link in the description. You can go ahead and hit on it. Right here you can see the different functions on OneDrive. I have mentioned some of them. You can go ahead and read more to give you more information about OneDrive. When you hit on this See Plans and Pricing button, you see the different plans available for you to be able to use OneDrive. As you can see, it's divided into two categories. We have for home and we have for businesses. So I'm going to go ahead and hit on the for home category. Right here under the home category, we have the OneDrive Basic 5 Gig plan. This plan is absolutely free for you to use. The downside about this plan is that you have a very limited storage space of 5 gig. We also have the OneDrive standalone. Now this plan is not free. You actually have to pay 889 Naira. Right here is giving me the price in Naira. So if you are using a different currency, to give you the equivalent in the currency you are using wherever you are, 889 Naira for OneDrive standalone. It gives me a storage space of 100 gig. Next, you have the Microsoft 365 Personal. Right here, the price goes way up to 26,000 plus a storage space of 1 terabyte. We also have the Microsoft 365 family, which is 36,000 plus, and it gives you 6 terabytes of storage space. So those are the different plans you can subscribe to be able to use OneDrive. So you can go ahead and hit on the Buy Now buttons, or you hit on the Sign Up for Free button if you want to go for the free plan. So moving forward, to be able to use Microsoft OneDrive, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account details. So if you don't have a Microsoft account, you go ahead and create one by hitting on this Create One button right here. So after creating your account, you are going to head over to onedrive.com.live. Once again, I have the link in the description of this video. You can go ahead and hit on that. So right now, I'm going to log in with my Microsoft account details. So here I am on my OneDrive account, as you can see. So when you sign in to your Microsoft OneDrive account, you're going to see something like this. Down here, as you can see, I have all my files and folders I uploaded into all that I saved in my Microsoft OneDrive account. So let's say, for instance, I select this documents folder right here. At the top right here, you see I can share this folder, I can download it, I can delete it, I can move it, I can copy, I can rename, and I can create an album from the folder. I can also do the same thing when I select a file or a document. So when I open this up, as you can see, I have my documents open. So let's say, for instance, you want to save this document on someone's computer, or maybe you don't have it on your computer, you only have it on your OneDrive account. You can go ahead and hit on the File button right here, and then click on the Save As button, and then right here you can hit on the Download a Copy button to download a copy of the document on your computer. You can also download it as a PDF and also download it as an ODT file. So at the top right here, I have the Upload button. So to upload a file, you are going to hit on the Upload button right here. So when you hit on the Upload button, as you can see, I have two options right there. I can upload files and I can also upload folder. So let's say, for instance, I want to upload the file. I can go ahead and hit on the Files button right here. When I do that, I get this dialog box. So right here, I can select the location where I have the file. So when I have the file selected, I can go ahead and hit on Open. And my file will immediately be uploaded into my OneDrive account. So right here, I have the file that I just uploaded into the OneDrive. Next to the Upload button, you have the New button. So when you hit on the New button, you can create a new folder. You can create a new Word documents, Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation, OneNote, form survey, plain text documents. So that is it, guys. That's how to use Microsoft OneDrive on the internet, or that's how to use Microsoft OneDrive online. You can also use Microsoft OneDrive offline. So one downside about using the Microsoft OneDrive offline is that the files that are uploaded or that are in your OneDrive will also be available on your computer or your device, which is a good thing, but it will also consume your storage space. But if you're only using the OneDrive online, it won't consume space on your device because the files will only be available in the clouds, consuming just the storage in the clouds. So if you find this video helpful so far, please do it to give this video a like. And also support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So to use the Microsoft OneDrive offline, you need to have the Microsoft OneDrive application on your computer. So if you are using a Windows version that is lower than 10, you will need to download the Microsoft OneDrive application on your computer. But if you are using Windows version from 10 and above, you don't need to download the application because it's already pre-installed on your computer. So if you need to download the application, you're going to head over to Microsoft.com. Again, I have the link in the description of this video. You can go ahead and hit on that. So when the site is open, you're going to see something like this. Right here is where you can download the Microsoft OneDrive. So to download it, you can go ahead and hit on this download button right here to kick off your download. So when the download is done, you can go ahead and open it. To go through the installation process, it's very easy. So after downloading and installing OneDrive on your computer, you can go ahead and launch the application. So when you launch the application, you're going to head over to the bottom left corner of your taskbar. Here you are going to find the clouds icon. So when you find it, you are going to click on it. But if you can't seem to find it right there, you can go ahead and hit on this little arrow button pointing upwards. So when you hit on it, right there you find the clouds icon. So let's say for instance you find the cloud icon and you see a line through the clouds icon. That means you are not signed in. So you are going to go ahead and hit on it. So when you hit on it, it's going to need you to sign in with your Microsoft account details. So after signing in with your Microsoft account details, the OneDrive application is going to open and then you are going to see something like this. So this is your Microsoft OneDrive. So right here at the bottom, you have different buttons. So when you hit on this open folder button, right here, you'll be able to see all your files that are in your Microsoft OneDrive. Another good thing about using the Microsoft OneDrive offline is that you'll be able to upload documents or files easy and fast by simply opening the OneDrive folder and then dragging all the files or documents you want to upload on OneDrive. So right here on my desktop, I have some files that I want to upload or save in my Microsoft OneDrive. I'm going to simply drag these files in the folder. So immediately you drag the files into the folder, you see that the files will immediately be cut out of the location where you are dragging them from and then will be pasted on Microsoft's OneDrive folder. So you have these files both in your device and also in the clouds. So right here under the status, as you can see, you have different icons right there. You have different symbols. These files with the cloud symbol are only available in the clouds. That is, you don't have them in your device. While the ones with the green check marks means that the files are both available on your device and also in the clouds. Now this second looking arrows rotating means that your files are being synced. So let's say for instance, I want these files that are only available on the clouds to be available on my device. That is, I want to download it into my device. What I can simply do is to click on the cloud icon there, and then you are going to see that the files will automatically be downloaded into my device. Right here you can see the progress. So I can do a few more. So when I go back to my internet, so right here, as you can see, I have the files that I just uploaded offline right here in the clouds. So that is this for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and do well to support my channel by hitting on that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.